Good evening, everybody. So the sun is setting over Bangkok, Thailand. And I've been doing pretty serious topics lately in my videos. I feel like I've been trying to provide value, trying to help you with information, trying to, guide people and help them get settled in Bangkok, Thailand, or in Thailand in general. So tonight, I just feel like let's relax. Let's get to know each other a little bit better. Let's connect. So what I like to do when the sun is setting in Bangkok is I like to go to a night market. Now we have all these big ones like, Jatujak or Ratchatarot Phai, which is the train night market, or we have the Jod fairs, for example. These are all amazing markets and they're very huge and they have a lot of people, lots of foreigners, tourists, Thai people, you name it, and a lot of selection. But sometimes the authenticity kind of suffers. And what I like to do is I like to go a little bit toward the suburbs, away from the center of Bangkok, and hit a very local Thai market. So they might not speak English as well, but you can use some basic Thai or just use charades or, get by somehow, and you'll have a great time. The scale of the market that we're going to tonight is, it's not too big, but it has everything you would want. So, yeah, let's go there together. It's near BTS Bearing, and let's take the train. So sit back, relax, maybe get a nice beverage and enjoy the tour. Let's go. Pa. So, getting to Tonsai Market, we are on BTS Green Line, Sukhumvit Line. We hop on the train and go in the direction of Keha. And then we get off in Bearing.
สถานีต่อไป Bearing Next station Bearing
Now, as we get off the train, we're immediately greeted by this view. And what a sight to behold, right? But I'm getting thirsty. Let's get something. สวัสดีครับ เอาชาเย็นครับ
บับเบิ้ลไข่มุก
ไม่บาบอเท่าไรครับ
ค่ะ
จริงเหรอจ่ายเงินสดได้ไหมครับ
ได้ค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุณมากครับ
ไข่เย็น
ขอบคุณมากครับ Well, you know me, I had to pick up cha yen and it's 20 baht. Unbelievable. So that's what, 70 cents or something? Really good. My favorite. Shun. Cheers. Just watch your head. Bang. หมูกรอบ Various meat on a stick. Beautiful. So as you can see, we have a lot of things to choose from here. But let's just take a stroll around the market. It's just nice to be walking around here, actually. Just hanging out with the locals. Everyone is smiling and they want to show you their food. I think tonight I am feeling fried chicken for round one here with the Thai tea. fried chicken and chai yen. Absolutely delicious, of course. I think I'm actually ready for round 2. Let's try some more food. So I went over and ordered classic in Thailand, tam Thai or som tam Thai, and it's just the original som tam, the papaya salad that people love over here in Thailand. As you can see, we're throwing in all kinds of ingredients here. We got peanuts, we got tomatoes, we got lime, chili, yeah. And if someone can tell me what all of these ingredients are, please let me know in the comments. But it's very, very refreshing and super tasty. And that papaya, when it's like not quite ripe, but crispy and perfect for the salad. Oh yeah, that is quite a combination. Have you seen the crabs there, by the way? Anyway, here we got some crispy pork, some mu glob, the same we saw in the beginning. We got some beautiful fruit shakes. I think I'm going for pineapple. And then let's just sit down in the beer garden and have our beautiful meal here. Also picked up some spring rolls. Now for dessert, I feel like trying something new. Yeah, let's go order some. อันนี้เรียกว่าอะไรครับภาษาไทย
โตเกียวเนยนมครับ
โตเกียว
โตเกียวเนยนมครับ
นายนมโอเค
เนยนมย่าง
ขอบคุณมากครับอร่อยไหม
อร่อยครับ
And then to finish it all off, I went for some Khanom Tokyo for dessert. So I went away from the music so I can talk to the camera. So let's try it. Tokyo Thai dessert with the name inspired by the Japanese capital, of course. That is sweet, but really good. Like a crispy pancake. Condensed milk, I think. Really good. And if all of that wasn't enough for you, you can go and pick up some fresh fruit. How about that? Various things just wrapped in banana leaves. There are just so many good things in this market. Oh, look at this. Just grilled fish. These are really big too. Pla in Thailand. If you're feeling a slushy, they'll make you a soda pop slushy right here. You would like some seafood, some beautiful crabs, some sea snails. Just browse, take a look around. The classic, meat skewers are abundant. And they also have ribs and whatnot. And then just come here, sit down with the locals in the beer garden where they have live music playing and oftentimes also like a Premier League game. And if that's not your thing, then you can get your nails done right here. Or why not go to an arcade? They just have everything for a good time here. So, I was handed this cultured milk drink as a free sample. So be sure to grab one of those on the way out, wash things down. I hope you've enjoyed this little trip to the local night market. I certainly feel a little bit more cultured now, having been to a real authentic Thai market, and I really enjoyed it here. So I can't recommend it enough. Come over here, try new food, experience the local culture. It's really good. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.